Hello everyone! A new official update has been posted in the OES back office. This is ONEWS 13, released September 12th at 4:50 p.m. The title is Fact-Driven Focus, and the subject is A Word About Leadership and Speculation. I will read it to you exactly as it is written. One of the great strengths of this community is the incredible loyalty, energy, and creativity shown by so many of our leaders. Many of you have taken to YouTube and other platforms to share your enthusiasm and encourage others. For that, we say thank you. Your positivity and dedication inspire us. At the same time, we want to gently remind everyone of something very important. Some of what is being shared out there is speculation and wishful thinking. We understand that it comes from the best of intentions, care, and love. But these ideas are not based on inside knowledge or official communication. As we've said before, the next chapter is not a continuation of On Passive. What's coming will be totally different, and far better. This will mark a radical shift, but it must be communicated with clarity, accuracy, and unity. Sharing guesses, even with good intentions, can create confusion and carry forward messaging that no longer represents who we are or where we are going. So we ask all of you, especially our most visible and vocal leaders, to please be patient and wait for the facts, which are just around the corner. Trust that when the time is right, we will provide plenty of information in the right way through the right channels. By the way, it's not what you expect, and you will be very pleased with what's coming next. We value your voices, we value your passion, and together, if we align around truth and clarity, we will make the journey toward our big, bold, beautiful shared dream stronger than ever. Stay tuned. Wonderful new things are coming soon. So let's break that down in the simplest way possible. What is this message truly saying? First, it's a huge thank you. The leadership and energy in this community are seen, appreciated, and valued. Your passion is the engine of this movement. But secondly, and just as importantly, it's a call for patience and unity. Right now, there are a lot of guesses and theories being shared about what's coming next. The core message here is that while those guesses come from a good place, they aren't based on official facts. Why does that matter? Because what is coming is described as a radical shift, something totally different and far better than what we've known before. It's so new and different that it requires a completely new way of talking about it. Using old ideas or guesses can accidentally create confusion about this exciting new direction. The leadership is simply asking us to trust the process. The facts are just around the corner. The official information is coming, and it will be delivered clearly and accurately through the proper channels when the time is right. And the most exciting part? They say it's not what we expect, and that we will be very pleased. So what do we do now? We continue to hold on to the vision. We channel our excitement not into speculation, but into readying ourselves for the official news. We choose patience because the best things are worth waiting for. We choose unity because together, aligned with truth and clarity, we are unstoppable. The dream has not changed. It has only gotten bigger and clearer. Stay focused, stay together, and stay hopeful. Wonderful new things are indeed coming soon. And if you're ready to be empowered, if you're ready to explore what's next with 1,000,000+ dreamers, contact the person who shared this video with you to put you on the list. But then, please subscribe, like, and also alert others by sharing this opportunity. Thank you.